Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's see how a list comprehension, a set comprehension and a dictionary comprehension works in Python programming language. We had already seen in our earlier session how a list comprehension works and also the dictionary comprehension, but we have not seen the set comprehension. Today let's see how they are different from each other. A list comprehension helps in creating a list. A set comprehension helps in creating a set, and a dictionary comprehension helps in creating a dictionary. So today, firstly, let's move on to the list comprehension. So let me say my list 1. It's a variable or an identifier which holds the created new list. So with the list comprehension, how do we create the list 1? Suppose I want to create a list of squares of numbers. In this case, I go for list comprehension because it is an easy and compact way of creating a list. So with the square brackets, I specify I into I. For I in range 1, 6, and I close my square brackets. So here I into I is nothing but an expression which it evaluates. For is the for loop, I is the iterating variable, and this is the range is the iterable. So when I give this particular statement, a new list gets created and the new list will be held in list 1. So now if I say print list 1, I get the list in this particular format. Initially, I will take the value 1 and it will evaluate the expression I into I. So 1 into 1 becomes 1. Then I becomes 2. 2 into 2 is 4. I becomes 3. 3 into 3 is 9. I becomes 4. 4 into 4 is 16. I becomes 5. 5 into 5 is 25. It won't consider 6, the ending value. It will consider the ending value minus 1. So it will range from 1 to 5. So we get the square list, squares of the numbers from 1 to 5. So this is an easy way of creating a list. It's an easy and compact way of creating a list. So the second one is how to create a set with the help of set comprehension. For this, let me say set 1 is equal to, since sets are held in curly braces, I'll give a curly brace for creating a set. And it is the same way, I into I, for I in range 1, 6. Close it with the curly braces. So the same way, instead of square brackets, for set we go in for the curly braces. And now when I say print set 1, it prints it in this particular way. In the curly braces, it prints, since sets are unordered, there is no order maintained in sets, it prints the values, the same values in an unorderly manner. It may print 25, 9, 16, 1 and then 4. The same set elements, that is for I in range 1 to 5, it will perform I into I and it will randomly print the values. The order won't be maintained. It prints it in an unorderly manner. This was for the set comprehension. Now let's go on to the dictionary comprehension. For dictionary comprehension, we all know that dictionaries have key and values. So we want two expressions, one for a key and the other for a value. So we going for two expressions for dictionary. Let me say my dict 1 is equal to curly braces I colon I into I for I in range 1 comma 6. For set, it was only a single expression, that is I into I. For dictionary, in the curly braces, we give two expressions. This one is for the key and this expression is for the value. So, my output, when I print dict 1, my output will be in this particular format. In curly braces, for I, it takes the value 1. This is the key and the value is this expression I into I. 1 into 1 is 1. For the second item, it takes key as 2 because it is I. Expression is 2 into 2 which is 4. Then it takes 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 4. 4 into 4 is 16. And then 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So, a dictionary gets created in this particular manner. The first one is the key and the second is the value. So, we have to give two expressions when we want to create a dictionary. For a set, we give only one expression in curly braces. For a list, we give one expression in square bracket. So, this is the way of creating a list with the help of list comprehension, a set with the help of set comprehension, a dictionary with the help of dictionary comprehension. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.